In this video, we will mount the TrakStar II camera onto the TranStar II tractor. You will need the following tools and equipment for this installation. With the power to the unit on, use the remote to raise the elevator on the TranStar II enough to access the screws on the front of the elevator arms. Power down the TranStar II. Now we will remove the skid plate from the TrakStar II camera by removing the 4 Phillips head screws connecting the plate to the camera. On the TranStar unit, lift the mounting bracket out of the way toward the rear of the unit. Remove the nuts from the screws on the inside of the elevator arms. Twist the camera connection cable to put one coil into the cable. To connect the cable to the camera, carefully line up the pin and screw the connector into the jack on the back of the camera. While supporting the camera with one hand, use the other hand to slide the screws on the elevator arms toward the outside of the unit to make room for the camera. Be careful to retain the washer on the screw. Slide the camera down between the arms to line up the threaded holes on the bottom of the camera with the screws on the elevator arms. Use the Allen wrench to tighten one screw and then the other while supporting the camera. Gently tuck the camera cable into the space behind the camera and lower the mounting bracket onto the top of the camera and line up the holes in the plate with the threaded holes on the top of the camera. To connect the plate to the camera, thread 2 of the Phillips head screws into the holes at the end of the mounting plate toward the rear of the transport. Then thread the other 2 Phillips head screws into the holes of the mounting plate toward the front of the transport. While still supporting the camera with one hand, use a screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws. Power up the unit and test the elevator and the camera to assure proper installation, and your TranStar II tractor and TrakStar II camera are ready for action. You can contact product support for additional troubleshooting assistance after completing these initial tasks.